Okay, so welcome back to the channel. You may recognise this from my previous video, the Kodak F31, and we spec'd up some improvements to get it to a C69 plus. The improvements have now been done and I've come back, so let's proceed with the new EPC on this property. So cavity wall insulation, let's see if we can find any drill holes or a pattern. There's a bit of paint there, quite hard to tell because it's definitely been repainted. Let's try to find that pattern. There's a hole there and another one. On the side elevation there's another one, and let's see if there's any more. And another one. I think that constitutes a pattern. The rear elevation. The back door is draft proofed. And I lost my tape measure at a previous property, but I've got my backup tape measure here. And that measures 280, but well, there you go, I can't use that many hands. Double glazing, unknown date, 16mm gap, UPVC. We have 2 meters, so dual rate. Bit of a weird system, but there you go, that's the way it's wired up. And two fuse boards. And then part of the upgrade, here we have a Quantum QM50RF. In the lounge, we have a Quantum QM125RF. A dual immersion hot water tank. And on there is my QR code for my playlist on Quantum RF series and best usage of off-peak economy 7 hot water systems. Bedroom 1 has a Quantum QM70RF, LED bulbs, and then bedroom 2 there's a QM70RF. There is a bath and an electric shower. Now last time the loft had 0 insulation. It looks like someone's come and put some in. Let's see how much there is. That's a good amount. Let's measure the thickness with my rubbish tape measure. It's always good to have a backup. Check out the description, I'll put the link in for my rubbish tape measure. That's easily 300mm. Lovely. Another LED bulb. And another one. And another one. So with the 29th of November, now that's less than 3 months since the last EPC that is issued. So I had to lodge it, but because it's less than 3 months, I'm going to get a smart audit on this one. So I know that, so obviously be careful. Make sure I get it right. So, rental, social, bungalow, semi-detached, suburban, no extensions, no gas, dual rate meter, internally measured, not a flat. So we've got 2 bedrooms and a lounge, so 3 heated habitable rooms. Okay, fixed lighting is 9, and we've got the energy bulbs, and it has a bath and an electric shower, and then it was built in the 50s. It has double glazing, normal amount, and we're going to go for unknown date, and then it's PVC frames 100% with a 16mm gap. There's no open fire, and it's naturally ventilated, and it's draft proof because we're 100% UPVC windows, and we've got a UPVC front and rear door, and also I had a look at the doors and there's draft proof strips. 2 doors, conservatory, none. Hot water system is a dual immersion with a normal size tank with factory fitted foam jacket, which counts the spray foam at 38mm. I need a photograph of evidence for that from the auditors. So heating, 1 main system, no secondary heating. Okay, and we have storage heaters, and they are electricity, and then we have a QM125 RF in the lounge, a QM50 RF in the hall, and then a QM70 RF in bedroom 1. I'm just going to check bedroom 2, and that is a QM70 RF in bedroom 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 storage heaters. Okay, so the main property is cavity wall, and it was 280mm thick, measured with my rubbish tape measure, link in the description. Backup tape measure in pencil case, always a good thing to have. And it is filled because we found a pattern of cavity wall drill holes. The shared wall was block, and we couldn't tell whether it was solid or not, so unknown. Okay, no alternate walls, solid ground floor insulation as pitched, joists, and it was 0, none, and now it's 300. And also it's got quantums. So the old score, F31. And then by doing the quantums and topping up the loft, hopefully we've got it to a C69. But obviously I've got to do my maths. So no renewables. And then the bungalow is a rectangle. Party wall, bedroom 1, bedroom 2. Front door, lounge, hot water tank, back door, kitchen, WC, loft hatch, and I'm going to draw the quantums on, and then we've got the hallway here, and then we've got the lounge, and then bedroom 1, and that's lounge, quantum 125, 70, 70, and then a 50. So 4, 70, 70, 50 and a 125. Yep, correct. Okay, so now heat loss perimeter. And so we want to know the width and the depth of the property. So here I'm using my Lekia Disto D2 laser measurer. Link in the description. Oops, press function. We've got to go that way. It calculates the floor area. Okay, 7894, and then the depth, little red dot, there we go, just above the toilet, so 6275, which is 49.535, so 54.54. 7894 6275 495, round up because it's 5 4. There you go. Right, now ceiling height, two two nine. Heat loss perimeter, 8 and 5, 13, carry 1, 18 plus 7, 18, 19, 20, 25, 26. So 6, carry 2, 8, 2, 8, 2, 20, carry 2, 14 plus 6, 20, carry 2, 22, 2206. Heat loss perimeter. Party wall, 6275, so 628. And there we go. All done. Just need to enter it into software and find out what the score is. Well, the score came out at D67, so we need to add on 2 extra points. Changing unknown date windows, or pre-2002 windows, to post-2002 windows would add on those 2 points. But the cost was inhibitive, so we didn't do that due to budget reasons. But that's how to get it to 69. If you're liking the videos, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.